Grab a small pan and place it on the stove over low heat. Add 5 regular candles. Let the candles melt slowly. Once they're fully melted, use a pair of tongs or a fork to carefully remove the wicks from the melted wax. Turn off the heat and pour the melted wax into a glass container. You can use an old glass jar or anything heat-proof and sturdy. Next, take about 10 cloves. Drop them into the warm wax, evenly spreading them out. Now, grab 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder and sprinkle it into the wax. Remember the wicks we saved earlier? Take one and secure it with a wooden stick or a pencil, placing it across the top of the glass container. Now, let the wax cool down and solidify completely. Once solid, your candle is ready to use. Have you ever struggled with mosquitoes invading your home from time to time? Or maybe you just want your house to smell amazing without using plugins? What we just made is not your average candle. It's a natural mosquito repellent and a fragrant home essential. The cloves and cinnamon work together to keep mosquitoes and other pesky insects far away, while filling your space with a warm, cozy scent. Plus, it's completely natural and looks stunning as a homemade decor piece.